What's going on, guys? My name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The song called G-Walk by Lil Mosey featuring Chris Brown. Alright, so let's start. Alright guys, let's start. For this one, you're gonna need to open your legs first. So let's do it slowly, alright? So you're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So all the counts have half count. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next, go 5, jump 6, right to the front 6 and 7, down 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7 and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Let's try faster. 5, 6, 7 and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Good job. You got it? Alright, next, from here, you're gonna make circle 1, close on 2, 3, 4. Again, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then step front, 5 and 6. Away, 7. So step the right back, 7 and 8. Roger that. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, slide, kick, 4 to the front, 5 and 6, away, 7 and 8. Good job. Alright, next for this one, watch carefully. You're gonna go, raise your knee, kick back, kick back, kick back, kick back. You do it 3 times. So while doing this one, you need to jump, 6, 7, and jump, jump, jump 3 times. Then we're gonna go face there, face, and actually we end up facing front. Let's try 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Then we'll change 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually 7, 8. Let's try one more time. So we end up on 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, this one. 6, legs, 7 and 8. Alright, the counting's a while ago is wrong. Alright, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, heel, toe, heel. And this one is going from 7 and go 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.6, 7 and 8. You got it? Alright. Next, you're gonna change. We'll change again. 1, look to your left. 2, slide 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, turn 8, jump 2. Alright, that's easy. Let's try one more time on that part. So 5, 6, 7, from here, is it? 7, no. 6, 7, and go 1, look 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Alright? Next, for this one, 2, we're gonna do nene. Head, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry. Left, right, left. 7, 2, 3, and 4. Next, lift on 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, the count is wrong. Oh yeah, it's wrong because this is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yes. Then the last one. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Add lib front. 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Okay, let's try from the beginning, guys. Let's do twice. Slow, then the next one is fast. Alright? Ready? Slow this time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, front, 5, and 6, away. 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, slide 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn 8, 1, nay, 2, and 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3. Add lib 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Ready? Now this time, let's do it faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, front, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, and 3, away. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, low, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn around. 8, jump. 2, 4, and a 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, and lib 7. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked that video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like some of my videos. Alright? We're gonna see you soon later. Bye bye.